Well, folks, another morning for you. It's another cold start of the day for your Thursday morning. Some frost advisories continue down to the south across northern Arkansas and the counties in southern Missouri, also extending with a freeze warning to southeast Missouri and the Boot Heel over into Illinois. It's cold out there this morning. There's no way to really get around that. 36 in Springfield, 36 Branson, 39 in Clinton, 31 in Fort Wood, 33 Mountain Grove. So most spots aren't freezing right now. There is still some patchy freezes out there, 31 Fort Wood. Otherwise, we are dealing with some frost out there. Waking up, going out to your car if you park outside, maybe a quick scrape or have the defroster run for a couple of minutes may be necessary to get rid of kind of a thin layer of frost on the windshield. You know, I certainly had to do that this morning. South winds coming in on the lighter side, maybe 5 miles an hour. Winds will be a little breezy later today. You pair that breezy, windy conditions for later today with the dry air and the drought conditions we've seen recently. And dew points are in the low to mid 20s right now. The dry air is going to stay in place. You put all those things together, you get a little fire danger for later today. So this afternoon, fire risk will be elevated for wildfires, especially across western Missouri. Otherwise, a good looking day for us. Upper 60s near 70, plenty of sun to go around, just a touch breezy on those winds later today. Winds could gust from the south, maybe close to 20 miles an hour across west central Missouri from Nevada to Clinton over to Stockton. And they could see a little bit gustier winds there. And we'll do it again on Friday as well. Friday also kind of a windy day setting up for you there. South wind with gusts maybe 20 miles an hour. Again, put it all together. The highest fire danger will be across west central Missouri. Elevated fire risk elsewhere, including parts of northern Arkansas. We're just dry outside, okay? Your vegetation starting to turn brown, too. We're looking for rain. We do have a storm on the way for us for Monday. 70s and sunshine, though, over the weekend. As we go into Monday, storm system drops south. It moves this way Monday night into Tuesday. Slight chance of rain with this, okay? The better chances look to be across Kansas, Nebraska, and northern Missouri, southern Iowa. We may see a little bit of rain try to extend farther southward as that cold front passes by, as the storm system blows by for Monday, but the better chances are really going to be north and west of the area. But that's our next chance of rain, and right now it's looking like a fairly slim chance for us going into, again, Monday night into Tuesday morning of next week. So again, rainfall outlook, better chance of rain to the west. There are chances here in the Ozarks now finally returning as that storm system Monday comes through, but better chances again north and west. Upper 60s near 70 for today. No freeze or frost tonight, but we'll still be chilly near 40. Low 70s, sunny on Friday. Saturday, mid 70s and sunny. Not as windy either on Saturday. A beautiful weekend for you, Saturday and Sunday, then rain possible Monday, and then a little warm still next week. Tuesday and Wednesday lining up to be in the lower 80s.
Yeah, rubbing our hands together, hoping for some of that rain next week. We could use it. It is bone dry out there in a lot of places, Tom. Thanks.